What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. In this video we will be reviewing RTC's pedal roller stand-up grout system. So what we're going to do is really simple. This is a very large grout system for very large floors, anything above, I would say 200 to 300 square feet up to 4,000 square feet or more. So what we're going to do is simple as per usual, unbox this, show you what it looks like, what's included with this system. We will set some tile, grout some tile, and for demonstration purposes, show you how this works and how well it performs. So without further ado, let's bring the camera up close, unbox, show you what's included with the RTC pedal roller grout system. Here we go. Let's unbox. Now this system is known to save time, make you more money, save your back, save your knees as you stand up whilst grouting. So let's check it out. And there is the kit, Russo Trading Company. So this is the handheld unit. Included your pole, 2-piece, right here, detach for easy transportation, it looks like. And then here is your large grouting sponge. I believe this is 18 inches, removable, so that you can replace this sponge here. Feels like really good quality, guys. Large, huge. I can see how this would speed up time. So we'll attach this to the pole. And here is the large system here. Pedal roller commercial grout station. Of course you can use this for residential. I'd imagine using this for even 300-400 square feet of grout would, again, speed up time, save your back, save your knees. Let's check it out. Here you go, ladies and gentlemen. This thing is massive. There's your rollers. I'd imagine that's where you squeeze out the water, like so. There is your foot pedal, spring-loaded. Looks like you have removable trays here for your grout debris. This holds about, I think, 8 or 9 gallons of water. Let's quickly talk about the specs, guys. Put this thing together, fill it with water, show you how well it performs. So again, RTC, pedal roller, stand-up grout machine. Like I said earlier, your pedal operated ringing system here, spring loaded, hands-free cleaning with the foot pedal that squeezes water from the sponge quickly and evenly. It looks like these rollers are for your handheld to get into tight, small to reach little locations here, as so. Again, we'll show you how that works. I've used these systems before, the smaller version. This thing is massive. You've got the pull sponge for upright cleaning, allows tile guys to clean floors, vertical surfaces without kneeling, crouching. Again, saving your back, saving your knees. 8-gallon capacity tank, reduces the frequency of water changes, more efficient on your job sites, guys. You've got the dual heavy-duty rollers for smooth, consistent sponge rolling with your wear-resistant sockets. And like I showed you, hook and loop sponge system here. Secures the sponge without adhesive, allows you to quickly swap this sponge out. Feels like great quality. Let's quickly, for demonstration purposes, set tile, grout tile, and then fill this with water, test it out. Show you how well it performs. Here we go. All right, guys, let's mix up some thin set some hex tile. handheld for hard to reach spots. Again, guys, demonstration purposes. Obviously, you would be using this for a larger floor, larger area, but quick mock-up. Save your back, save your knees, standing up, wiping off your grout. Well, there you have it, guys. Great machine. I can absolutely see how this can speed up time, make you more money, save your knees, save your back. Well, there you go. I like it. Does a great job, good quality. I can see how this can save you time and money, relieve your back from grouting while standing up, relieve your knees while grouting standing up. I believe you can save enough money on labor doing one floor job to pay for this tool. I will leave a link in the description if you want to check out pricing and specs. The sponge here is just the right firmness and yet very smooth and absorbent. The foot pedal and ringer does a really good job keeping the sponge clean. I'd imagine this machine would cut your grouting time in half for large grouting jobs. Thanks for watching, guys. As per usual, don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell icon, smash that like button. It really does help the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.